All right, guys, so I know that video you just saw was utilizing this rear mount here. So this is the Game Changer rear mount. This happens to be the dual. That's the video you just saw. This one can run either the massive 36 millimeter selfie stick or a flag. I choose to run the camera today. But the mount I'm talking to you guys about today is this front mount, guys. This one is absolutely incredible. You can see right here, I'm gonna pull on this pretty hard. There's no movement, guys, none at all. I can show you some past designs and you get a little bit of movement. This mount here, and I have changed up to where I'm using a 6-inch selfie stick now that I produce. So guys, I'm utilizing some design techniques and some printing techniques that make this front mount now virtually vibration free. The only vibration you're going to see is from the ski itself, just minute little shake, you know, vibration, but not movement. There's a difference between vibration and movement, guys. There's no movement from this mount or this stick whatsoever. This thing is solid. You're not going to find this type of design and technique on any other front mount, including metal. Guys, the metal mounts actually, I've tried them. They actually ripped this bolt out, okay? It's not a good thing. So that had to be repaired, and these mounts aren't gonna do that. It's just like with anything else. You would rather have your weakest point be something other than your ski. You know, you don't wanna have to repair your ski. It's nothing to buy another mount or a stick, but you don't wanna repair the ski. Guys, check out this mount. It's the Game Changer 360 front mount. I also have available now the dual. So if you want to run a GoPro and a 360, you can do it, one or the other, or have one mount on there where, depending on what camera you decide to bring that day, you're covered. So guys, check these mounts out. NRG Creative. I'm gonna get back out here and have some fun. It's beautiful out today, if you can't tell.